Alright guys, today we're down at Bond Park. We'll be fishing for pretty much anything that wants to bite. We have a bunch of rods with us today. We got, number one, we got a... Oh man, they're all tangled up. I'm sorry though. So number one, we have just a rod for corn. It's a little carp rig right here. See if we can get the carp or that koi I haven't seen around here. There is a koi in here. I have seen her a bunch. She's pretty big. I mean, I've hooked her only one time, but see if we can get her or any other carp in here. Second rod, we got a. I can get this one unstuck. It's really tangled up. There we go. He's got a little spoon. It's a little micro lure. See what we can get with this. See what we can get with this little spoon here. The rod's just an ugly stick GX2 medium action. The reel is just a Lose Laser Pro actually. Yeah, Lose Laser Pro with 8-pound line, no leader. Alright, so I'm just gonna get all this untangled here. Get everything all set up, just ready. Overall, I'll make sure I'm ready for anything here. Pack up my camera supplies here. Get that in there. Nice. Okay, we're gonna get some bait. We have the cast net with us. We're gonna see if we can catch us a little bit of bait today. Because, I need some bait. There's some live bait and some cut bait here. So, yeah. Should be pretty easy to get some bait out of here. Because, it's just a whole lot of bait fish right by now. Pushing up on the banks here. I think the biggest issue today would be untangling this. I haven't used this cast net in maybe 2 weeks or so. Last time I used it, I was fishing for catfish here, actually. So I was fishing for bait fish, obviously, but yeah, I can already see some bluegill in the water here. Yep. Alright, just gonna have to throw a net on them. See what we can do. Just want untangling this here. It's difficult. 6 foot, 7 foot, something like that. It's not a huge net, it's not like a 20 foot, so it's a good size net for like shad, bluegill, saltwater if you want to, Alright, see if I can get a throw. Yeah, there's a whole bunch right here. Whole bunch of bait right here. See if we can get some. Or not, because it gets stuck on the dock. Great. Maybe it won't get stuck on the dock this time. Tree pounder. It's great. That's exactly what you want to start off. Branch. A lot of these. There we go. And it's tangled at the bottom. That would explain a lot. Okay, that's good. Let's get it out. Open this up. I'm gonna try again here. Quickly. Without a huge tangle, but we already have one, so I gotta get this out. Something I don't like about the dock here is all these little random nails stuck on the ground. My cast net always gets stuck on them. It's really annoying. Let's get this one right here. What is that? Alright, there we go. We're good. Okay. Let's try that again. I don't see them right now, but hopefully I will in a sec. See some? It's a good throw right there. Then that way out there. Just gonna let it sink. You just gonna pull it. Just like that. It's just slow to trap all the fish in, then go faster. If you got any of that throw? Hopefully we did. I don't think so. No, not a thing. try again. Sometimes it takes a while for us to get some bait. I mean, you know, just trying here. Oh, I see some right now. I see them. They're right here. I'm a little bit off. About a foot or so, but it's alright. I mean, could be some in there. Yeah, I got some. Yeah, I think I got some. There we go. Got at least one, I think. Yeah, I got two. Perfect. 2 little shell crackers. Oh, 3. Oh, there we go. I got 3 shell crackers. Perfect. That's awesome. Good bait right here. Alright, that's all the bait we need pretty much. I'm gonna put my bucket and then, yeah. Go ahead and fill up the bucket and run back. Make sure my bait's happy. Yeah. Happy bait, happy fish. There's a turtle at the bottom right there. 2 turtles, actually. 2 of them. Go check out the last video I did down here at Bond Park. I caught a 5-pound bass on live bait. And I kept on getting these huge hits on the catfish cut bait. So I'm ready to get some hopefully today. Alright, this bucket's nice and full. Yeah, I'm not sure if y'all I've been here before, but the water level is down a lot. Like, I mean a lot. It's extremely shallow here. So, yeah. Alright, that was fast. Huh. I think I just saw a bass. I don't know. I could be wrong, obviously. Alright. Get all 3 baits or so up here. Let's put them in the bucket fast. We decide which one's live bait, which one's cut bait. And which one's going to stay in the front. There we go. Alright, okay. Now that I got my bait for now, so good enough for now, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and grab my live bait rod first. Check that out. Okay. I'm thinking this guy right here. He seems pretty small to me. Wow, that water is warm. Okay. This guy seems good size. Yeah, this is a good size bait right here. There's a little live pumpkin seed through the mouth. Alright, through the top of the lips. Boom, just like that. Make sure my weight can slide. It cannot. Good thing I noticed that. That's weird. Alright. Now it should be good. Hopefully. Alright. Get this out. I'm going to catch it on the side of this little I'm not sure what the word is. It's right there. Side of the dock area. Forgot the word for dock. Something. Alright, boom. Rod 1 set out. Alright. Rod 2. Obviously. Cut bait, right? Biggest one in here. Oh, this guy looks dead to me, actually. He's somewhat dead. Alright, might as well grab him. Okay. Well, you kill these guys. Just grab them like that. Just grab them like this. He's kind of throw him. He should be dead. Just like that. Now grab your knife. Here I got a fillet knife. Right. It's a fillet bait knife. Same thing. Just grab behind the head. Like this. Grab a good bait size that you think that your hook is good size for. And then boom. Like that. I'm throwing the head out first, just because, in my opinion, head is one of the better baits. Head and the gut pocket. Gut pocket second. Head's first, obviously. So I grab your bait. This rod's a little bit broken, but it should be fine, hopefully. There's a turtle out there. Just like that. That way. I gotta get it back in through. This is pretty much the freshest bait you can possibly get. So like that. Alright. Nice cut bait setup. So I'll take this and bomb it to wherever you think the catfish would be at. For me, I think they're going to be way deep spots because of how hot it is today. I'm going to throw as far as I can out there. Right there. Good spot. You lower your drag to 0, that way the fish can take it if they find it. Just like that. There we go. Alright, I'm going to take one cast of the spinner bait real quick because I'm going to have to. A little long toss. A lot of juice fishing on this route, so. Hold on, guys. I'm thinking of fishing for catfish, though. Oh, so they got like, some little chairs with the umbrellas on them. That's kind of nice. Fish right there. Right down there. Turtle. But there was a fish down here. I think there was a fish down here. Something came up and splashed right here. It's really shallow. Let me take a cast here. Why not? Yeah, if it was a fish, it's definitely gone by now. Nope, he was right there. Right here. He was. Emphasis on the was. No, he's gone now. And for the corn, all I do is I just grab my small little hook right here. It's for carp. Go ahead and put some kernel, some canned kernel corn on. Just like this, right? Kind of threading it through here. That way. It should look like this. No, that's fine. It's like this near the end. Pretty simple rig. So I'm just going to take it and throw it in an area that we think is going to be fish. For me, that'll be right here. Take our drag and lower it. Just like that. You fighting? Shit, okay. Alright, I'm just looking for bass before I walk up here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You should look at this one. I gotta see this. There's a whole school of catfish here. I don't have my thing with me, but I'm gonna be able to see this as well as I can. I look right down there. Whole school of catfish right there. Those are all catfish. That entire ball, I'll see? All catfish. Those minnows. Those are all baby catfish right there. That's pretty cool. I'm thinking those are bullheads. That is very cool. I'm gonna leave those guys alone. On. I think that rod just got bit actually. It did. So I probably got a fish on it. Just got bit by something. Something's tapped at this rod. Something. Oh, I got a turtle. That's what. You go. Caught it. I caught a turtle. Alright, well, fires. That's great. No, he's not even hooked. Good. There we go. No. I wish that was illegal. That'd be pretty funny. Oh, he is? Oh, that's weird, look, guys. He got like through his mouth. You have to see that? He got the hook through his mouth here. Oh, yeah, he did. Okay. I probably have to. Let's want to retie. That's not gonna work. Bite. Huh. Yep. He's probably on there. Yeah, he's on. He's on. He was on. There was a fish. Oh, you can do that. Probably a small one. Alright, bud, chill. Come here. Hey. Chill, bud, chill. Hey. See. Look, see, well. Cut it from here. See, isn't that nice? Look at that. Like this. Guys. Little. Hey, there's one in your mouth now. Come on. Hey, there's one in your mouth. Alright, these pliers. Why not? There we go. We got it. Look at that, guys. Left no line in his mouth, no hook, nothing. This is a native yellow slider. This guy's native. You see by the moss on his back, he's kind of old. Been here for a while. I'll let him go. Get out here, bud. I would really have to toss him down really gently, but I don't need to do that. That's the best I can do, man. Alright, he should figure it out from there. He's in the water. He'll get it. I'm very tired on. Oh, it's a dog. Oh my god. Oh my god, see that? There's a dog in the middle of the lake right there. There's a dog in the middle of the lake. Right there. Holy shit. Whose dog is that? That's not a paddle. We could low-key hop the thing and get one of those paddle boats.
Should I try to get one of those?
Yeah. Because that dog is in the middle. Shit. Okay. The thing is, I don't want to get arrested for this, but fuck it, side. Go. Alright, go. Got one.
They're locked up.
They're all locked? Fuck. Shit, how far is he? Oh, he's way down there. He's way down there, man. We can't get that.
Well, I'm thinking about just jumping in.
You can swing all that way? Shit. Should we call like the town carrier or something? They can probably unlock these.
Probably, yeah.
You can pull that, can you? Pull it this side, yeah. Pull it like other side, this side. Oh, it's locked in between. Shit. Oh my god.
You think we can caught it with
He's still down there. No, this is locked too. God damn it. Oh my god. Okay.
You have like a knife or anything?
I do, hold on.
Here.
I'll go, yeah. One of these boats. Oh, no. Thank you. Oh, the snake. Fuck, I can't hop that. I got the knife. Is it unlocked? Go. I got a knife, hold on. Is it unlocked? Hold on. Let me get everybody, hold on.
Come on, just look.
Alright, go. Paddle. Shit, if we had more paddles, it would be easier.
There's a paddle in there?
Yeah.
In there?
No, there's not.
There's no paddle in there?
No.
Sure?
No, there's nothing. Just an anchor. Go. Holy shit. Is it tied up? It might be tied up, huh? It might be tied up.
Is it tied up?
Something on here. Go. It's good. Go.
I'm gonna go anywhere with
It's right down there. We need two. Shit. I think the kayak is on him. He does the kayak here. Go. There's more paddles. Shit. We only have one paddle. This is good. I can't see him. He could be way farther. I don't know. Oh, shit.
Where?
Past the dam?
Past the dam?
Oh, okay. I see him. He's right there. I see him. He's like straight, a little bit to the left.
That means we have to switch out.
Yeah. I'm ready to hop in. Oh shit, he's on camera. Oh, hi. He's like way down there. What's good boy, good boy! Good boy, come here. Good boy, good boy. Oh, here. Good boy. Alright, left. Or left. Come here, boy. Good boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Good boy, good boy. Come here. Oh, it's a good boy. Come here. Come here, Otis. Come here, Otis. Come on. Come on, front. Oh, good boy, good boy. Come here. Good boy, here, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go, good boy. No, closer. Come on, boy. Come on. I know. Here. Come on. Here you go. You got him. Oh, he's gonna bite. Good boy. Boy, hey. Chill, boy, chill. Yeah, get that. Good boy. Hey, it's okay. No. Oh, he's trying to get on it. It was really bad. Oh, he's grabbing. Oh, he's like, he's a good shit. Right, here, boy. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Hey, it's okay. There you go. Good boy. Come on. Sorry. Here, boy, here. No. Hey, it's okay. Come here. There you go. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Up. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, my goodness. Okay. There's a good dog. All right, go back. Oh, good boy. It's okay. I know you're tired. Good boy. Yes, you know you're always waiting back there? Let's go. Massive. Come on. Oh, there's a good boy.
Sorry.
No, I know you're tired, man. All right, here. Oh, he's cold. He's so cold. There you go. Sit down, boy. Good boy.
Want me to give him the shirt?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the shirt? Yeah.
I don't think he's cold. He's not cold. He's not cold. He's fine. The water's pretty warm. Alright, there you go. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy. Oh, fish. Got one. Yo, it's big. Hold on. You might need to help me out here. You need to help me out here. It's big. It's really big. It's at least 5. Oh my god. Dude. I don't know, actually. It's a great question, Hugo. Okay, it's big. It's good size. Okay. Can I flip that? I cannot. Can I flip that? I cannot flip that.
Want me to get it on there?
Yeah, if you could. Chill. There you go. I just casted it too. Hold on. Just grab him. Slip him. Let me get the lip real quick. There we go. There's a fish. Y'all. Healthy little largemouth. Post spawn, I'm thinking, because she got these markings on her. Post spawn, most likely. Yeah. It's fattening up for the summer. So let her go. As the sun's beginning to set right now, so we'll let her go from the shallow end, so we don't hurt her head. So I'll let her go right down here. Walk around the shallow spot, and then we can revive her for a little bit, and then toss her back. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna make a great video. 4-pound bass and saving a dog. That's crazy. There you go, girl. Oh wow. Oh, she's ready. No, if you don't see her. Kind of. Is she ready? On. Come here, girl. There you go. She got it all figured out. There she goes. Right down there. Right back to the deep. And that right there, my friends, is how you have a good day. You save a dog and you catch a 4-pound bass. Not even 10 minutes later. There she goes. You can kind of still see her. Not really. I mean, I can. No, Steagle's rod. Where's he at? Oh, God. The second he leaves, bro. Oh, my gosh. Yeah.
Dude,
it's a big one, too. It feels big. Yeah, it's his rod. Oh, my God. He just left. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, yeah, you might have to. It's really, it's like pulling hard. The thing is, I don't know how heavy this line is, so I don't want to overdo it here.
Okay.
It's a good thing we know they're biting, I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. That's good to know. It's a good sized fish. Alright. Yeah. Oh, it's a catfish. Okay. It's a cat. Oh my god. He almost pulled me in the water. I gotta lower his drag a little bit. Oh, his rag is set so high. Hugo, you got a fish on, man. Come get this. Come get this. It's a catfish. You got a catfish on. It's a big cat. No, we don't have a net. You want me to hang you grippers? Alright. It's a big cat. Here you go. There you go. Grippers. There you go. That's a. Just open them like this. Like there you go. There you go. That's a big cat, man. On the live bait. Come here, bud.
I get that thing in his mouth, bro.
He is not. I'm gonna have to just pull him up, Loki. There you go. You got. There we go. You want me to grab that? There you got that. There you go.
Nice, man.
There you go. All right.
Oh, yeah.
You almost pulled your rod in the water too.
Dude, yeah, that thing
It will like.
almost broke the rod.
Yeah. Big hold on. We open this bag real quick.
Holy crap.
There you go.
Look at that thing.
Hey, buddy. It's good to know. That's that channel, okay, guys. Oh, he's a spicy guy.
Is that your blood or his? His blood. Alright, good.
Good thing it's not yours. Alright.
You take my picture.
Oh, no, yeah, he's being
Yeah, that's just
oh, I got
the
you.
best one. Wait, stand facing us so the sun's on his
There you go. Alright, hold on. Turn sideways. That's a nice one. You want me waiting for you, Hugo? Just look this way, real quick. Just look. Let me turn it so you can get like a good side pick. Look. There you go. Oh, that looks huge. You want me waiting for you?
Oh,
I have a feel. Alright, hold on.
What are you using for the bait?
Live bait. Like a live small fish. There you go. He's going back fast because he's bleeding a lot. Yeah.